Hello everyone, welcome to Flying Skies 1. Flying Skies 1 is all about products. How are you all doing? Today I'll be sharing with you a Japanese premium snack named kari that I've purchased in suprdaily. So it's a bold and zesty, crunchy. It's roasted. It's made of soya and fine flour. So here you see the garlic chili kari snack, and here it is. The pack is 60 grams, and I've purchased it for 10 rupees. But the rate mentioned here is 50 rupees. The snack has peanuts going into it, and it is more tastier, and it's just like our Indian fry yams. So it's available in different flavors: wasabi, salt and pepper, garlic, spice mania. So you can try by going for it. Thanks for watching. Like, share, subscribe. Flying Skies 1.